So this is how you can fix Messenger waiting for network problem. So it actually happens to a lot of people. The Messenger app kind of lags sometimes. Like for example, when you open it and you're sure that you have Wi-Fi, it's going to say waiting for network. Now, usually there's no fix to this. All you have to do is just exit out of the app and then try again. But basically, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're both connected to the Wi Fi and that your airplane mode is not turned on. Now, if you don't have Wi Fi, that's fine. Just turn on your cellular data. But do make sure that you have data within your SIM card in order for it to work. So basically, if your messenger says waiting for network, usually that would mean it's about your Wi Fi. So make sure you are properly connected to a stable Wi Fi so that you can use Messenger properly. And yeah, that's the only fix to this problem. If it still doesn't work and it still pursues, then you might have to take the extra step into actually deleting the app and then re downloading it. So once you delete it, download it back again, and then log in and see if it's still waiting for network. I guarantee you it won't be anymore as long as you are in a stable connection with the Wi Fi. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.